This is part 2 of our Aberdeen trip. First, we went to see Craig's Castle, built in the 16th century.
From there, we went on a hike and saw some Highland cows, iconic to Scotland.
If you're wondering why these cows have so much fur, it's because they're out in the cold all day. For the rest of the hike, we went through woodlands and saw many rivers.
From there, we went on to a nearby beach to see some seals.
On our last day in Aberdeen, we went to the Speyside Cooperage. If you don't know what a cooperage is, it's where they make barrels, otherwise known as casks. As you can see here, their motto is Acorn to Cask.
This is a barrel maker, otherwise known as a cooper. When we were there, the coopers were fixing up casks, because casks can last up to 60 years.
As you can see here, they have quite the collection. So they're bound to show off a little.
We're trying to make 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Help us make it happen.